Hello, Namaskar. I am Dalvinder from User Umbrella. Now I am going to show you GR Floret. We are in GR Floret, which is located in Begur, Road, which is around 2 acres of property, G plus 15 and 158 units. Combination of 2, 2.5 and a 3 BHK. Now I will show you the model apartment, which is around 1477 square feet, 3 BHK with 2 toilets. If you enter the property, you will find the living area, plus your dining, your kitchen and your utility is totally separate. This is the common toilet. So this is your master bedroom. You have a bigger windows. You have an attached toilet with it. So this is your children's room, which is around 11 by 10. And this is your guest room, which is around 12 by 10.